Some big news coming in. Chest X-ray may tell whether person is coronavirus positive or not. New information coming in, a development on how you can detect if you have coronavirus. Here is a revelation made by Lucknow's KGMU, which has developed an artificial intelligence program through which chest X-ray can tell whether a person is COVID positive or not. The clinical trial for the same is being started, just about begun.
आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस और डीप लर्निंग के टूल्स के माध्यम से कोविड मरीज के एक्सरे के आरंभिक दशा में ही वो कोविड के क्या हानिकारक प्रभाव चेस्ट में आ गए हैं, लंग्स में क्या डैमेज हुआ है उसका, और आगे चल के कौन से एक्सरे ऐसे होंगे जो ज़्यादा खराब स्थिति में फेफड़े को डैमेज करेंगे, मरीजों को वेंटिलेटर पर जाने की ज़रूरत होगी, और इन मरीजों में कोई न्यूमोनिया या सामान्य तरह की बीमारी के फेफड़े में क्या चेंजेस होते हैं और कोविड के मरीजों में क्या चेंजेस होते हैं, उसको डिस्क्रिमिनेशन करने की भी उसमें एक क्षमता होगी और ये आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के माध्यम से संभव होगा। कोविड की डायग्नोसिस तो आरटी-पीसीआर और थ्रोट और नेजल सैंपल से ही होगी, लेकिन एक्सरे में क्या डैमेज हुआ है, एक्सरे में क्या चेंजेस हुए हैं, उसकी जानकारी अविलंब 1 से 2 मिनट के अंदर ही इस मॉडल के द्वारा देने की क्षमता होगी।
Nilanshu joining us for more details on this. Nilanshu, this is big news, information coming in on chest X-ray that could tell whether a person is coronavirus positive or not. And this is coming from the KGMU Lucknow's department, where they've developed an artificial intelligence program through which they can identify if a person is COVID-19 positive or not merely through a chest X-ray. The clinical trial for the same has just begun. Do bring us more details.
Well, this is absolutely right. The clinical trial has begun, and in the coming days, chest X-ray can tell whether patient is COVID-19 infected or not. This is what the KGMU administration has aimed, and after the successful trial, approval from ICMR will be taken as per the procedure. The KGMU has also joined hands with the Central Drug Research Institute for Molecular Research to know the reasons for disease causation. Second major research is finding treatment methodologies. And a third project on which KGMU is working is to develop a vaccine for the virus. What KGMU doctors have said that some confidential proposals to battle the novel coronavirus have also been submitted by the doctors to ICMR for approval. KGMU has the biggest COVID-19 ward in Uttar Pradesh, and maximum testing for COVID-19 is being done in KGMU as well. So the KGMU doctors are partnering with other medical institutes to battle the COVID-19 outbreak, and it may be possible that in the coming days, X-rays may tell whether a person is COVID-19 infected or not.
Nilanshu, thank you very much for joining us. We're hoping that this progresses. A chest X-ray now to tell if you are coronavirus positive or not, trials of which have just begun.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.